Hey guys, thank you for tuning into CryptoLogic Miner. Little sneak peek here to the upcoming video, the rebuild from the fire on the 5700 XT rig. But I know you guys are all anxious to see who the winner is of the last video, ETH giveaway for November. So let's see who the winner is. And the winner is Luca Ashmatavia. Sorry, I totally botched up that last name. But congratulations, you are the winner of the ETH giveaway. Please send a screenshot of yourself being subscribed to my CryptoLogic Miner Twitter, along with your ETH address, and I will get that out to you as soon as you send that over to me in the next 24 or 48 hours. Once again, thank you guys for staying tuned and subscribed. I should have part 2 of the video on the rebuild from the 5700 XT rig fire coming out in the next week or 2. And congrats again, Luca.